welcome to the RCN Rocket Chief. Today is our test flight for our CF-105 Avro Arrow, Canadian fighter aircraft built, designed, and flown in the 50s but never put into production. The rocket that I have here is essentially a clone of the Estes Skydart with the wings reshaped to represent the fighter aircraft, the addition of a crew canopy, and just a little bit of reshaping of the tail. The principle is still the same. Boosts, of course, like a normal model rocket, and then at apogee, the entire engine bay is ejected, and that shifts the center of gravity and the flight characteristics so that the model will hopefully glide down on its own. So carry on to the field, see if that worked out for us, and then come on back and we'll show you how we put this together. Test flight for the Avro Arrow CF-105 boost glider. So it'll fly up like a regular rocket and then recover like an airplane. As long as they don't touch each other on the metal pieces, you're good to go. Yeah. This will come back in 2 pieces, guys, hopefully. So is Granddad.
1, 2, 3.
Nice. Whoa. Wow. That was different. Well, obviously a little bit of trimming needs to be done for the actual rocket flight. So here's the engine pod for the Avro Arrow, all in one piece. And the rocket itself did a great lawn dart imitation. Nope, just pull it hard. Oh wow, it really is in there hard. Hold it back here. There we go. Well, that didn't work out at all. So my first instinct, of course, was to go back and study to see if I could get the model to fly higher before it noses over and goes horizontal. Because as you saw there, that was certainly dangerous with it doing it that low and still under power. Certainly could have hurt somebody if it hit it. But quickly realized I don't have the aerodynamic knowledge to figure out how to do that. So I'm going to do plan B, which is to admit that what I have is what I have. I'm going to send it up on a booster engine that as soon as the power comes off, of course, will eject itself out of the rocket. And then hopefully it'll go horizontal and we'll be able to go from there. So one of the other things, of course, with the test flight coming up in a couple of seconds is I clear the field, make sure there's no kids around, and anybody hurts, it's just the old guy. And I'm pretty beat up, so it's not really a big deal if something goes wrong. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. A little better, not much. Oh, there we go. Once the engine ejected, it glided nicely. Oh, well. Successful flight. Awesome. So as I said at the beginning, this is just a reshaped Estes Skydart in its essence with some cheaper material, as you've seen. The cardboard over the balsa adds a little bit of weight. Getting the engine ejection system correct and getting the weights correct, I used a wound wire that I had lying around to get that weight, and then got everything put together here. I squared up the body to better represent the aircraft itself, which may have had an effect on the flying characteristics. Of course, when the engine ejects, it allows a big aileron to pop up into place, and I'll using a elastic and paper clip to hold that down. The canopy, I'm not 100% totally satisfied with the shape of it, but in the classic case, it was close enough. Here's the engine retaining system that I was talking about, and its clip to hold down that big aileron at the after part of the aircraft, using some medical tape here as the hinge. And the final shots, I was pretty satisfied with it. Not 100% happy with the flight, but coming up on Canada Day, we'll try it again, so tune back in for that.